Hello, welcome back to a new video. Today I am going to show you how to do Crossy Road in Hopscotch. So Hopscotch is just a game. You can get it. It's a coding game. It's fairly easy to do. It's free on Apple. On Apple, not on Android sadly, but only on Apple. And I'll be showing you how to do Crossy Road. So first off, you'll need to get an emoji. So, I'm just gonna. I'll get a chicken. Chick. So if you want, this is optional, but you can also do this. You can get a random emoji. Then you can say, when game starts, now set speed to a big amount. Then go to change x by minus 5 billion and change x by 5 billion, not minus 5 billion. There you go. So when I start, it should do nothing because I didn't do it correctly. Well, you need to first set invisibility. Set invisibility percent to 99. 100. Set invisibility percent to 100. Then set draw trail, which is green or whatever. Make sure the width of it is, let's say 100, and now remove this and add this inside and remove this. There you go. Now it should, boom. If you need to make the width bigger, as I'm doing right now, I'm making 250, so it should, there you go. So we have the grass. Now I'm gonna add in the road. So just go. Then, sure. And just do the same thing. So copy this on the other ones, but change, and then you can change the colors to whatever. So there we go. Delete and delete. So now we're gonna actually add the game. We're gonna make sure the game actually works. So first off, we're gonna say you win in the middle. We're gonna get back to that later. And then we're gonna do a car emoji. So like for example, this one, taxi. You can get a taxi. Now you can say, when game starts, set speed to, let's say, 600, and change x by 5 billion, change x by minus 5 billion. Then, press play, should do that. But to make it switch, we're going to do flip, and again flip. There you go, now it should. Okay. You need to make sure to put this into repeat forever, otherwise nothing will happen. Something will happen, but it's not going to be do this. No. There you go. So now you have the moving car. But nothing happens when you tap the screen. So, when game starts, it shall... Oh, never mind. When is tapped, and make sure it's the screen, then when is tapped, it shall move forward 25. So now, it moves forward. Oh, never mind, I didn't do the right one. Make sure it's change Y by 25, not move forwards. So now, it does that. But when it doesn't work. So, to make it work, when bumps, when text bumps this, it shall change Y by minus and whatever. Well, first, invisibility percent 100, and then at the end, invisibility percent 0. Now put another shape or something up here. Make sure to put here we go. When game starts, it shall set invisibility 99. Now go to this one. Say when self bumps the square, it shall set invisibility percent 100. Now you do this. When game starts, it shall set invisibility percent to 100. But when text bumps square, it shall set invisibility percent to 0. Now it should work. See, I lost. So you need to make sure the car can't touch you. Quickly, there you go. You win. So that's the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed. And
that was a good video.
And I will see you later. Bye.